In the UK, we drink approximately 55 million cups of coffee a day. So, is it healthy or not?
Somewhere at the back of my head, I had this belief that coffee is unhealthy. And if I drink too much, then something. But because I'm definitely coffee addict, I decided to look into it closer, and here is what I found. Drinking coffee regularly reduces mortality, protects from Alzheimer, Parkinson and other neurological disorders. It keeps your liver healthy, it fastens your metabolism, it lowers the risk of cancers like colorectal, endometrial, prostatic and liver, and also it lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes.
And translated into English, this basically means that coffee makes you live longer while keeping your mind sharp, prevents certain metabolic conditions and certain cancers, while it being a stimulant because it keeps you up longer. Now to me, this sounds as a kind of a magic potion.
Scientists estimated that drinking up to 4 coffees a day is actually beneficial for your health. And by 4 coffees, I mean cups, not buckets.
That's right, so long as it's not instant or decaf. The best coffee is brewed and filtered. Unfiltered isn't so good as it may increase levels of cholesterol, so just try and stay away from it.
Quite important fact is that caffeine in coffee increases metabolism. So if you want to lose on weight or you have problems with constipation, you can help yourself with a cup of joe. Just make sure you don't add any sugar, sweeteners or cream. For instance, a cup of sweet coffee with a cream can have about 500 calories, so it's like a burger.
But don't think that just drinking gallons of coffee can replace exercising and a balanced diet. Think of it as a drop in the lake of losing weight. Also, for people who have stomach ulcers or heartburn, drinking coffee might not be the best idea, as coffee actually increases production of acid in your stomach. So first, take care of your stomach and then go back to drinking coffee.
Scientists seem to be divided when it comes to drinking coffee in pregnancy. There are some lower birth weight and preterm births reported when larger amount of coffee was consumed by moms-to-be. Also, when they drank more than 8 cups of coffee a day, children suffered from some mental disorders like hyperactivity, so ADHD. But who drinks more than 8 cups of coffee a day when pregnant? Anyway, they say that about 200 milligram of caffeine is safe for pregnant women, and 200 milligram of caffeine, that's basically 1 cup. So yeah, you can enjoy 1 cup of coffee if you're pregnant.
But caffeine is also present in certain teas, in energy drinks and in some food products, so make sure you keep that in your daily calculation. One more interesting fact is coffee actually prevents caries, but on the other hand it does make your teeth a bit darker, so you will, I guess, need to set your priorities.
Coffee can be addictive. I think it's a good addiction. It's a great natural stimulant with plenty of health benefits.
Cheers. Spill it. Subscribe and all that. Share it and check the links in the descriptions, which will take you to all of the researches that Magda went through when working on the text for this, so when working on this video.
And we're planning to release one more video about
spilling coffee,
about varieties of beans and which one you should choose.
Exactly.
To get most of it.